Hi all, today I'm going to explain how to convert .py to .exe in Python. So for that, we need to choose one of the package that is available in Python. So as per my consideration, I'm going to choose one of the package called PyInstaller. So first thing is we have to install the PyInstaller by using the pip command. So we have to open a command prompt where you can write the your Python programs. So currently I'm writing into a folder like the drive F, and in the new project I'm going to install this PyInstaller by using a pip command. So pip install PyInstaller. Once you type this, just hit enter. So it will start execution or start installation of the PyInstaller. So here we can observe that we got a message called requirement already satisfied. It means that so in my computer the PyInstaller already got installed. So once you install PyInstaller from your end, at the end you will get successful message once you finish that. So we have done with the installation of PyInstaller. So now we have to create a new Python file. From that we can convert to .exe. So if you want to write any Python programs, we have to choose any IDE, right? So I'm going to open up my Python where I can write Python programs. So already I created one file with the name of sample.py. In this sample.py, I'm going to write a small program where we can add two integers. So for that, let me take a one variable called a, and I'm going to convert into integer. I'm going to read the values from the keyboard. So I'm using the input. Here I will type a text, enter first number, and this is for first variable, and the second one is be equal to same thing, integer input of enter second number. So now I'm going to add these two variables, and I'm going to assigning to variable c. At the same time I'm going to print the value c. So here we can say that the sum of two values are, and you can mention the c here. So this is a simple program. It's a which can add the two variables a and b. So at the end I'm going to give one more line called print statement. I will tell you what is the use of this, and here I'm going to read the value again from the keyboard. Please hit enter, close this program. So now I'm going to execute this program, so then you will understand what is the use of this. Now here you can see that it asking the first number. I'm giving the 12 randomly. I'm giving one more number, the 3. Here it's asking the sum of two values are 15, and you can see that at the below, please hit enter to close this program. When I hit on enter, it will close this program. So there is a use of the last line. Now we can see the program got executed perfectly with the sample.py. Now I'm going to convert this sample.py into .exe. So for that we have to again move on to this command prompt. Let me reduce the size, and let me go back to the actual folder where I'm going to save this .exe. Now I'm using a PyInstaller again. PyInstaller and my Python file name is sample.py. Now here you can observe that currently I have the two folders, one folder with the .ida and the second one is my program name. So when I hit enter on command prompt, we can observe that few folders will be added to this. Let me check it. Yes, and now the Py installer started. It's trying to convert the sample.py to .exe file. And in the left hand side you can observe that a few things got added to this new project, and it's still running the Py installer. I think it's going to finish. Yes. So at the end we got a message like completed successfully. That means that it completed the process from .py to .exe. So let me move on to this folder, and here we have one folder called dist, right? So let me open this and open the sample again. So here we can see the sample.exe is available. So when I'm trying to open this, it will open up within a command prompt, and it will ask us to enter the first number. I'm again entering random number 34 and again 5, and you can see that the sum of two variables values are 39. That's correct. And here the cursor is blinking and it's asking us to whether you want to close this program or not. When you hit on enter, it will close the command prompt. So this is how you can create .py files to .exe, and this is the only file which can be shared to any colleagues or other friends, where they can execute without having any Python in their computers. So this is one advantage we can say with this .exe conversion in Python. Thank you for watching this video.